Hello viewers, welcome to your favorite YouTube channel Hacker's Tech Geek, and in this video lecture you are going to learn about some basic application of AngularJS. So first of all we start with the basic keyword which is used in AngularJS. Here ng-app is used to initialize AngularJS in our HTML page, and wherever you write ng-app, like if I write ng-app here inside the body tag, you have to write angular js keyword inside the tags in html. Okay, like if I write ng-app here, then it has the angular js is only capable of perform function inside this body tag. But when I write inside html tag, then angular js can work over inside the full structure of the html. So basically you can write ng-app here, and if you want to give name to your web application, you can also name it whatever you want, but it is used for some different purposes. I will tell you later. And now we have to make some variable. Okay. mm, largest count, which is largest continent? Asia. And this is a variable, and this is a value, and this is a AngularJS method used to store uh, variable and its value. Okay, and to write another variable you have to use semicolon and write again different variable name largest country, put value Russia. Now we are making an paragraph, and add largest continent in world is. This is used to add variable inside your HTML page, the double curly bracket. And when I write here largest count, then this is a variable, but it will print this value. Okay, this is a variable to call this value. Okay, and another paragraph, largest country in world is, again double curly bracket, and its name largest country. And when you save this HTML page and when you start running the web application, then you see that largest continent in world is Asia, largest country in the world is Russia, and largest continent in world is in Asia. So our AngularJS web application web page is working. So now we do some more thing, like what is the use of this thing, the double curly bracket. Actually double curly bracket is used to call the complete JavaScript. Like if I write here that largest continent, you can do even maths inside this double curly bracket, like 78 plus 89, and when you save it and run it, then you can get the value of the sum. So it has so many uses, but I will actually explain you later. So in this video lecture, what we learned? We learned that whenever we have to whenever we have to use AngularJS in your HTML page, you have to write ng-app first. Okay, and if you want a web application, then if you want to give name to this ng-app, then you can also name it. But when you name it, then this is not going to work. Okay, when we give name, then this is not going to work. We have to make a controller, we have to make model after it. Okay, so if you want basic function of AngularJS, then you can do how I done. So this ng-init used to store the variable and its value in. You can use ng-init in any tags of HTML. Okay, and double curly bracket is used to fetch the variable, fetch the value of the variable. So this is basic application of AngularJS, and after this video you will definitely going to get some interesting video of AngularJS. Please do subscribe my channel and keep touch with me.